Ever wonder how your smart home devices, self-driving cars, or AI assistants find each other to work together seamlessly? What if I told you there's a revolutionary system making this possible? A digital GPS for software agents. Let's explore AdaptiveResolver, a breakthrough in agent communication that's redefining how machines interact in our connected world. Imagine a world where every software agent, think of them as digital workers, needs to find the perfect partner to collaborate. But here's the catch. Their ideal partner isn't just about who they are, but where they are, what they can do, and how the environment is behaving. Traditional systems rely on static URLs, like fixed addresses, but that's like giving a robot a single map in a constantly changing city. Enter AdaptiveResolver, a dynamic, context-aware system that acts like a real-time traffic navigator for agents. Why does this matter? The internet is a vast highway, and static URLs are like one-size-fits-all exits, good for small towns but chaos in a megacity. When millions of devices try to connect, static systems struggle with security, speed, and scalability. That's where AdaptiveResolver shines. It doesn't just find an agent. It finds the best agent for the job right now, based on real-time factors like geographic location, network congestion, security risks, and even the agent's own capabilities. So how does it work? Let's simplify. Every agent advertises its agent facts, a digital resume listing its capabilities, location, and performance metrics. These are stored in a shared registry, like a decentralized directory. When an agent needs help, it searches this registry, but not just for any match. It uses context-aware resolution to tailor the connection. For example, if a drone needs to send data, AdaptiveResolver might route it through a nearby edge server with low latency, avoiding a distant data center that's overloaded. What makes this system special? It's not just about finding a partner, it's about negotiating the best way to collaborate. Agents discuss trust levels, resource needs, and performance goals, like a team of robots agreeing on the best tools for a task. This flexibility enables peer-to-peer interactions, not just one-way client-server setups. Imagine a fleet of delivery bots dynamically adjusting routes based on real-time traffic, security threats, and battery levels, all orchestrated by AdaptiveResolver. Let's get concrete. Picture a healthcare AI analyzing a patient's data. AdaptiveResolver could connect it to a nearby server with specialized hardware for medical imaging, bypassing a distant cloud server. Or consider a self-driving car communicating with traffic lights, pedestrians, and other vehicles in a split-second dance of data exchange. The system adapts to scenarios like client-server setups, secure gateways for corporate networks, mobile agents relocating for efficiency, and group chats among multiple AI systems. This isn't incremental improvement, it's a paradigm shift. Traditional systems are like old phones with fixed numbers. AdaptiveResolver is a smart device that updates its connections based on your needs. It's designed for the future of AI, where agents must operate in complex, ever-changing environments. By prioritizing adaptability, security, and scalability, it lays the groundwork for a more resilient and intelligent internet. So next time you interact with a smart device or an AI, remember, behind the scenes, systems like AdaptiveResolver are working tirelessly to ensure seamless, secure, and efficient communication. It's not just about connecting devices. It's about creating a dynamic, intelligent network where every agent finds its perfect partner in real time. Thanks for watching. If you're curious to explore how this tech is shaping the future, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the science.